Hi dear friends, look at this picture. What is your feeling? It looks very delicious and mouth-watering, isn't it? But do you know one fact? The same diet is the culprit behind belly fat. That's what I placed the title of this episode, Grain Belly. So belly fat, you are not inherited from your genes, but it is inherited from your plates. A diet rich in carbohydrate, only one culprit behind belly fat. Do you know the consequence of belly fat? Hundreds of studies recently suggest that the belly fat, the fat located inside abdominal cavity, is the sole responsible for diabetes and insulin resistance. So always I will use a quote: diabetes is not located in your gene, it is located in your belly fat. The number of toxins produced by our belly fat, because the countless number of toxins are produced by belly fat. Recently, scientists have identified over 300 chemicals secreted from belly fat. Not all the type of fats are bad. The fat in buttocks, fat under skin will help you to live longer, whereas fat in the belly region, Madhya Pradesh, is the main cause for diabetes and heart disease. The scientists did numerous investigations to unravel the mystery behind Indian diabetic and heart disease scenario. It's known to everyone that Indians are known to have high number of diabetes patients and cardiac patients. Scientists couldn't explain why we have more diabetes, because Indians consume little amount of non-veg. They don't take too much of fat in diet. We are not obese. Despite of all this benefit, we have high prevalence of diabetes and heart disease. And only one abnormality they were found, that most of the Indian hold more fat on the central portion, Madhya Pradesh. So this Madhya Pradesh belly fat can produce over 300 chemicals, and these chemicals can damage our cells. So when we have belly fat, that can contribute to a condition called as insulin resistance. Most of the type 2 diabetes patients have an underlying problem called as insulin resistance. So too much of toxins secreted from Madhya Pradesh can impair transport of glucose to our cells. That condition is called as insulin resistance. So insulin resistance is not the consequence of our bad gene or diabetic genes from our parents. It's a consequence of belly fat. So reverse belly fat, reverse your insulin resistance. And the grain belly is the result of too much of carbohydrate. Let me show you how carb is converted into belly fat. For example, the main food of cow is grass. Grass is devoid of fat. Grass is devoid of cholesterol. Despite of eating cholesterol-free, fat-free grass, the milk of cow is rich in fat. 4% of fat is found in cow milk, but the fodder of cow, grass, the fat is 0.1%. So how it is possible? Eating a zero fat diet and secreting milk which is rich in fat. It's very simple logic. The fat is not derived from the grass. Rather, the grass travel to liver of cow. Liver is a factory where grass is converted into fat. Similarly, the carbohydrate like rice, wheat, ragi, navne or millet, they don't have any fat. But once they reach to liver, they can instantly convert it into fat, like grass converted into ghee. Similarly, the grains, too much of grains, it could be wheat or rice or millet, can convert into fat and start depositing in the belly region. That's only one reason behind the belly fat. That's what I placed the title, Grain Belly. So there is the only one solution, only one surgery to remove the belly fat. Stop eating all type of carb for 6 months. I help hundreds of my patients to trim their belly fat just by a simple advice: stop grains for 6 months, which was highly beneficial to reverse type 2 diabetes, PCOD, obesity. Even I have seen the triglyceride, hypertriglyceridemia, elevated triglyceride drop from 1000 to 150 in a span of 1 month when they adopted grain-free diet. So dear friends, the grain pilli is the main reason behind the epidemic of diabetes and heart disease in India. Thank you for watching my video.